Hey you guys! Welcome back to another cooking tutorial brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a nice pan of roasted potatoes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, here's what we'll need to do. First, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. And then we're going to need our red potatoes, a baking pan, foil, oil, about 2 tablespoons. Steak sauce is optional. Then you have your spices to taste: salt, pepper, onion powder, oregano, lemon pepper, and smoked paprika. Wash your potatoes. And then you're going to cut your potatoes in any shape that you like. Take your pan and cover it with foil. Fill your pan with your potatoes. Add oil and mix in well. Add your seasonings. Mix well. Add your steak sauce. This part is optional. Cover with foil and place inside of your oven for 30 minutes. This is what it looked like when I took it out of the oven the first time. I added a little more steak sauce and a little more seasonings, and I put it back in for about 10 more minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.